In Jamaica's sun-kissed isle, where the reggae beats pulse and smile, lies a beauty so rare, a vision to behold, a treasure to unveil. Her lips, oh so full and luscious, like the petals of a rose in bloom, inviting all to taste the sweetness that only she can assume. Her eyes, pools of warm brown, like the finest chocolate in the land, glistening with kindness, and a hint of mischief, at her command. Her skin, a rich mocha hue, smooth as silk, and soft to the touch, a canvas of beauty, where love and laughter leave their gentle clutch. Her hair, a tapestry of gold, wild and free, like the wind in the trees, a crown of glory, that only a Jamaican woman can breeze. Oh, the beauty of her lips and eyes, a symphony of grace, a masterpiece of love, that leaves us all in awe and embrace.